A Gurudwara is a place of worship for the Sikh community to come together and pray. But today, this Sikh temple behind me in the middle of Dubai transforms into a mosque. Let me show you how. Since the Gurudwara's establishment in 2012, it has hosted an iftar evening every single year. But this year, in 2019, it is hosting an iftar every single day, open to all members of the community to come and break their fast.
We believe that all religions are very beautiful. And in the last 7 years, every year we have one day iftar. But being the year of tolerance, this year we are having a 30 days iftar here.
Every day?
Yeah, every day. And every day we come across people from all walks of life. And believe me, all families, children, everybody comes here. This is the beauty of this place.
Any religion, any nationality can walk through this door and enjoy the iftar meal. Now take a look at this. This is a sign that they have inside the Gurudwara that says during Ramadan, no one can leave this temple with food or water, regardless of your religion, regardless if you're fasting or not. And to me, that is the height of respect to a community out there that is fasting. Now we're gonna head into the kitchen where all the food is prepared. Let's take a look. This kitchen operation needs to be prepared for anyone to walk through the door because there is no limit to the amount of people that they welcome. Anyone is allowed to come at any time during iftar to enjoy a meal. Working up an appetite here, that's for sure. And even though it's an iftar, they still keep towards their religious beliefs, so there is no meat on the menu. It's all vegetarian iftar that we all can enjoy. But it smells so, whatever those are. Excuse me, can I take it all?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. See that? We can't misunderstand it. Smells so good, chef.
Allah Almighty, He reminds us in this beautiful month of Ramadan, the month of forgiveness, the month of mercy, the month of care, compassion, and coexistence, the month in which it reminds us to be self-aware, to have self-control, and reflect on the entire creation and be grateful to Almighty.
All religions are very beautiful, but we are mesmerized in the things. And this is, believe me, this is the place, Dubai is a place where the vision of His Highness is so great. Allah has blessed him that vision, that he has the tolerance of all religions. This is the example for the whole world to set that humanity is the first thing.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah.
What you hear is the young man doing the Muslim call to prayer in the middle of the Sikh temple.
Hayya ala salah. Hayya ala salah.
Here, members of the Muslim community have just started to pray, and this is the dedicated area within the temple that has been turned into a mosque for the Muslims to pray. Beautiful. See you in a minute.
We believe that all religions are very beautiful, and all religions, anybody can come and do their own prayers, whatever they believe in. Everybody has a different faiths. The destination is the same.
In a world that is starting to feel more and more divided every day, this evening was like a breath of fresh air. It is a strong message to everyone in the world of what is possible when we open up our hearts to each other. Even if they don't necessarily believe in the same things we do. Where we all understand that despite our differences, we are all human beings in this world. All with the aim to have love and happiness in our lives. And for me, there is no greater sign of compassion, there is no greater sign of acceptance